What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having an awesome day and doing well. I wanted to do a quick review on the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Auto Wash. I've actually used this for some time now and wanted to share my thoughts on this as well. I'm not going to be using this particular one today. I'm actually going to use the Honeydew. They're pretty much the same thing, the watermelon. They just have different scents. This one to me kind of has like the red Jolly Rancher kind of smell to it, which does smell good. And the Honeydew kind of has like this, sweet. It has a sweet smell to it. It smells pretty good too as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, and I'll show you how it works as well. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I wanted to go ahead and read the directions real quick. It says shake well, add 1 to 2 ounces of Honeydew Snow Foam to 5 gallons of water. Wash surface, rinse using clean water for perfect shine. For best results, add 1 to 2 ounces of Honeydew Snow Foam to Chemical Guys foam cannon or foam gun and fill the rest with warm water for a high foam touchless wash. So what I'm actually using here is 4 ounces of product and 500 milliliters of water, and that's what works for me. It may be different for other people. You have to mess around with the ratios, so just experiment. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on this product was it worked really well. It was pretty hot today. The hottest so far was 100 degrees, and the product it was able to rinse off easily. I had no issues with it and would totally recommend it. Definitely give this product an A+. Alright guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Take care.